Nababo ka ba rin? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For this vlog guys, when you hear the word Makita, ano yung unang-unang pumapasok sa'yo?
So ako, narinig ko yung word na Makita. Ito yung mga something na hinahanap mo.
Exactly. So guys, this Makita power tools are of course from Japan.
Yes.
And they have been in the industry for really siguro 100 years old. Napakatagal na ng technology nito sa Japan. And right now, meron tayong mga wireless power tools na ipapakita nila sa atin.
Yes. So if you're interested to know more about their wireless tools, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
So guys, kasama natin ngayon si Sir Steve. So he will be assisting us in demonstrating, and of course, ipapakilala niya sa atin kung ano yung mga items and mga power tools ng Makita.
Yes.
Sir, a brief background. Makita is from what country?
Makita is a Japanese brand. Makita started 1915 building electric motors. And they produced the first power tools in 1958. And then in 1965, they introduced the battery operated.
1965. So we've been using the batteries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Three types of batteries. This is 12 volts max. They call it CXT, Compact Extreme Technology. This is 18 volts LXT, meaning lithium ion extreme technology. And this is XGT, 40 volts max. Next generation technology. Compact extreme technology, ginawa yan to make the tool lighter.
Yes.
Okay? Meaning, you can use it at home, minsan sa mga installation. Next is the LXT, I mean.
LXT.
Yes, 18 volts. This battery is compatible to 360 plus tools. Battery can operate chainsaw. This is a cooler warmer.
This is really cool, guys. This is really, I mean, literally cool.
Yes.
So this is your outdoor refrigerator.
Yes, yes. This uses two LXT batteries.
LXT batteries, ayan
Yes.
guys.
So, but it can operate in one.
Okay.
Okay.
Still, you have -2.
Now, the temperature inside is -2.
Yes.
Okay.
Yan. And look at this, guys. Look at that.
It's frozen.
Freezing. After pandemic, for sure, it's gonna be travel all the way.
Yes.
And this is really, essential.
This is the coffee maker.
It's a coffee maker.
This is a battery operated coffee maker. Using the same battery, 240
ml.
Yes, 240 ml.
Okay.
Exactly
Maximum.
one. Okay.
All right, all right.
So we put it inside.
Coffee.
Ground coffee.
Yep.
Okay. Then power.
It's
Okay.
that easy.
That easy. Around 5 minutes, we have coffee.
5 minutes. Is it hot or?
Hot.
Whoa. Again, guys, this is gonna be your portable coffee maker anywhere you go.
Yes, you go camping,
Uh-huh.
you have the freezer, you have the coffee maker, you have the fan.
Something to keep you cool and something to keep you warm.
Yes.
Amazing.
Tire inflator.
Tire inflator.
Yes.
Okay. There you
So,
go.
pwede nyo mas-set yung required pressure.
Yep.
Okay? So, that's 25 PSI hanggang 120.
Wow.
Yes. And
That's strong.
Yes.
That's it. It's working. So again, guys, what we're trying to, introduce you here are yung mga very mobile, very versatile wireless tools. Like, for example, this one. This is a car polisher.
Yes.
Doesn't require wire or plug.
So, if you polish the car,
Yes.
you don't need extension cord. The cord won't scratch your
Yes, yes.
car.
So this is very essential sa mga car wash owners, car detailers. So for one battery, how long does it take?
Around 45 minutes. Continuous.
Continuous. So yun guys, nowadays, being mobile, being very flexible is really, really important. I mean,
Yes.
you can bring this anywhere,
Yes.
and then it's powered by Makita, of course. Amazing.
Same battery
Uh-huh.
can fit this, we call it head streamer. So especially na umuulan ngayon, gusto mo tanggalin yung tubig, okay?
So just pull the trigger. Whoa!
If you use petrol, there's so much maintenance
Yeah.
and so much problem.
Yeah.
With this, you only charge the battery, okay?
Makes sense.
The motor is brushless, no carbon brush.
Yes.
That's maintenance free.
Sige, of course, depende sa required output. So we have, a bigger motor, a larger capacity of the motor, right? This one, sir, lawnmower?
Lawnmower.
And again, battery operated.
Same battery, but this one use 2 LXT battery. Okay, so you insert the 2 battery here. Okay, with 2 5 amps battery, it can cover an area of 500 square meter. We have one there using a bigger battery. It can mow around 5,700 square meter, and it is self-propelled. Meaning, hindi mo siya kailangan tulak, may motor siya sa wheel.
Okay.
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw, okay.
Yeah. This is a small chainsaw. Single battery chainsaw. Okay.
Safety first, guys. Wow! Guys, a bit messy, pero I super enjoyed it. Super enjoyed it.
Lower.
So right up.
This is the 36 volt grinder.
Okay.
Okay. This uses 2 LXT battery. Okay.
Mga steel businesses, glass, aluminum, steel fabrication, this is very, very important.
Yes. And also very good for rescue work.
Ah, yeah.
Because
Emergency.
This blade is a multi-material blade. It can cut metal, concrete.
Concrete, metal,
So
concrete.
if you're in the situation,
Yeah.
you don't need to change
Yeah.
blade.
Blades.
Just one blade. Okay, you can cut through metal, concrete.
Yep.
So this is it. Okay, this is a 10-inch circular saw,
Okay.
and you can notice the motor is very small
Uh-huh.
but very powerful. Yeah, that is because of the brushless motor. Okay.
As easy as that.
Yes. If you turn on this, saka mag-start yung vacuum.
At the same time.
Okay? And then after 7 seconds, mag-shut off. That is because of what we call AWS, Auto Start Wireless System.
It's off.
Meaning,
So you'll notice that it's already done. Oh, that was... Try it.
for you.
Oh yeah. Good coffee. Again guys, very versatile, very mobile. Available po sa Makita. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for allowing us experience po yung mga power tools ng Makita.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you also. If you need anything, just come to Dau.
Yes, Dau Agri.
Okay, Dau Agri.
Ah.
They will cater your needs. Okay, for Makita.
So yun guys, if you're looking for a particular tool for Makita, so available po dito sa Dau Agri.
Yes.
We're gonna be providing the all information below the caption.
Yes.
And yeah, get it here. Get it at Dau Agri. Ang daming items pala ni
Yes.
Makita, over 300. I don't know, mas marami pa ata, di ba?
Ang kagandahan kay Makita is
Ah.
napaka-portable nila. So
Correct.
they are using battery-operated tools
Aha.
para sa mga daily use natin.
Exactly. So depende po sa gagamit. Say for example, for personal DIY, meron po silang napaka-lightweight like for this one. And of course, for industrial, heavyweight required output naman. Of course, may mga heavier items sila.
Yes, I was impressed.
Actually,
kasi
ako rin, oh.
from their portable freezer,
Refrigerator,
yes,
yes.
coffee maker, hanggang dun sa mga big tools natin like blower, chainsaw, yan.
Ang dami pa. So guys, if you're looking for a Makita equipment tool, so available po sila dito sa Dau Agri. Make sure to check them out. So this is of course in Mabalacat, Pampanga. We're gonna provide all the informations below for you to find out kung ano po yung mga items na tinitinda nila dito.
So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and kung gusto mong makahanap ng mga power tools na
Yeah.
portable,
Yeah.
visit Dau
Dau
Agri,
Agri.
especially Makita.
There you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys.